children, good morning. Welcome back to our English session. Hope you all understood my previous video. Yes. So what we saw in our previous video, do you remember? Yes, very good. The tsunami. The tsunami. Do you all remember what is tsunami? Yes, good. Tsunami is none other than the powerful waves, is it? Caused by earthquake. Yes. So tsunami is a powerful waves caused by earthquake under the sea. Yes, good children. So okay. So in our previous videos we have seen about some families who were affected by this tsunami. Do you remember those families? Do you remember how do they affected and how they some of them were escaped? How do they escape? Do you remember? Yes, good. So now we are in the third part. Okay, I already told you that this lesson is divided into 3 parts. Okay. So in first 2 parts we have seen about the about some of the families who were affected by this tsunami. Okay. So now we are in the third part. Okay. Let's see what's given in this part. Yes. Your book page number 29. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. So what is given? Before the giant waves. What is the giant waves? Tsunami. Tsunami is the giant waves here. Okay. Slammed into the coast. That is slammed. What is slammed? Just hit forcefully with a great force. Okay. Very quickly into the coast. So the waves reach the coast very quickly. Very quickly with a lot of force. That is slammed. Okay. Yes. Into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. So what they are telling here, before that giant waves hit the coast, that domestic animals and wild animals they know what is going to happen. Okay, they are having that sense of thinking about the earthquakes like these waves. Okay, so they already know it. Okay, due to some shivers in the land and due to some noise, they are able to hear that. Okay, so they are able to know earlier before the man. Okay, so before the man they know that. Okay, what's going to happen? They know that something is going to happen wrong. Okay, who knows that? Yes, animals, domestic animals and wild animals. They fled to safety. They fled to safety. Fled means they just escaped. Okay, they just escaped from that place and they just go to a safety place. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. So, according to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed already we saw, cried, okay, cried or a loud noise and ran for higher ground. So, the elephants may be in the low grounds, they may be living in the low grounds. When they know that something is going to happen, they just move from that place, they just escape from the place and they go to a safety place, that is a higher land. Okay, they just move to a place which is higher than the ground level. Okay. Yes. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. So what happened? So like the elephants, how the elephants are moving from that place and they are moving to a safety higher place. So this the same way the dogs refused to go outdoors. They never go out. Okay, they know something is going to happen, so they never go out. They never come out from the house. That is their shelter. Flamingos abandon their low-lying, so breeding areas. So the flamingos also, they just abandon means they just leave. Okay, so they just leave their breeding place and they also moved to some other safety place. So all the animals are knowing that. And zoo animals rushed into their shelters. So the zoo animals also, in zoo also there are some animals, no. Okay, have you all visited the zoo? Yes, very good. So in the zoo we can see many animals, is it? So lot of animals. Whatever animals you like to see, you can go to the zoo and there are many animals you can see, is it? So in that zoo also, the zoo animals also rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. They never come out. Okay, they just go to their place and they just stay themselves safely. Okay, they never come out because they know. What they know? Something is going to happen. Some wrong thing is going to happen. So these things they know. So all the animals know that there is an earthquake, there is an giant wave. Okay, so they just protect themselves in a safety way. Yes, many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. So many people are believing that the animals also has the sixth sense. Okay, the animals has the sixth sense, and they that sense is knowing about that earth shakes. Okay, so when there is an earthquake, what is the symptom? There will be a shake in the earth, is it? So in the earlier sisters we have seen, is it? So the family were when they were sleeping, they just noticed that shake, is it? So after that only they came out from the home and they know that there is an earthquake, there is an wave, that and all they know, is it? So if it is earthquake, there will be a notice, that is the earth will be shaking, is it? Some experts believe that animals more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. So experts people are believing. What they are believing? That animals more acute. They are very great in hearing. Okay, more acute means very great. They are having a good hearing power. Okay, helps them to hear or feel. They just hear or they will feel that vibration. Okay, they just hear that vibration or they just feel that vibration will be the vibration make them to feel. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. So they can sense an approaching disaster. So they can sense that they know it's going to be wrong before the man. See, disaster long before humans realize what's going on. Before the human realize that shake. Okay, when there is the shake, the human realize it, no. So before the human, the animals know that. The animals realize that. The animals sense that. Okay, the animals feel that vibration. Okay, so the animals feel that vibration before the man. Okay. We can't be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. So we can't say clearly whether the animals having sixth sense or not. But the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries. But not many animals have been reported dead. So what they are telling here, we can't say whether we can't come to the conclusion whether the animals have the sixth sense or not. Okay, but by this incident, we are sure that animals have the sixth sense. They are knowing this vibration earlier. Okay, because how they are telling this surely? See, but the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 1,50,000 people in a dozen countries. This giant waves and this earthquake, it killed the 1,50,000 people. Okay, these waves killed 1,50,000 people. 1,50,000 people. Okay, but that rate of but not many animals have been reported dead. Okay, so they have reported 1,50,000 people were died in the tsunami, but there is no more animals. It is not reported many animals were died in tsunami. So that means they already know. Is it? While compared with the people, that animals ratio is not that much. The animals were not died that much. The human being only died as 1,50,000 people. Okay, but the animals are not this much. Okay, so by this report we can come to the conclusion that animals have that sixth sense and they know these waves which hit the people. Is that? Yes. Along India's Kudalur coast where thousands of people perished. Buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. So what happened? Along India's Kudalur. Okay, in Kudalur coast. Okay, in Kudalur coast in India. Okay, the Kudalur. Well, that tsunami not only hit the foreign countries. Okay, it not only hit the foreign countries, it also hit the Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu also affected by the tsunami. Okay, when 2004, 26, yes, December. Okay, so in 2004, 26th December, Tamil Nadu also affected by this tsunami. Okay, not only the foreign countries, Tamil Nadu in India, Tamil Nadu also affected by this tsunami. Okay, many people lost their lives. Many of them lost their shelter. They lost their home. They lost their house. Okay, so and that they lost their family. In some of the family, as we saw in the previous incidents in Thailand. Is it? So that girl alone alive and other family members were died in the tsunami. So like that it happened in Tamil Nadu also. Okay, if you had a view on that in 2004, if you get a view, there you can clearly see how the Tamil Nadu was affected. So in Tamil Nadu, like all the coastal areas, Kudalur and Nagapattinam, Kanyakumari, Chennai. Okay, so all these places that coastal areas were affected. Many people lost their life and they stand without anything. They don't know what is going to happen. Even the rich people. Okay, so the rich people also they lost their shelter. They lost their home. Okay, so that time many people helped them. Okay, like in other places, in other districts. Okay, like in our Coimbatore, all the districts, we also help them by sending them some food. Okay, food and cloth. They lost their dresses also. Is it their home was destroyed in that waves. So they have nothing. Even though they have stored a lot of things in their home, even though they were rich people, they stored a lot of grains and dresses, whatever they need. That time they were stood without anything. Okay, so they don't have even the food. They don't have the dress or that these are the important things, is it? These are the important things for our life: shelter, food, dress. These are the important things. These important things, they lost in that tsunami. Okay, so that time the other district peoples and other state people also helped to the affected areas by sending some money, fund, okay, and dress, food, whatever they need. Okay, so by this way the others helped. See, here we can see the helping tendency, is it? So even though they are in Chennai, we can't say they are in Chennai only. No, why should we help? It's not like that. Even though they are in Chennai, they are our people, they are our country people, our state people. Okay, not only our state, for other countries also we should help, because we are humans. As a human, we should have that helping tendency. Okay, so whatever happened to that person, that may be sometimes happen to us, is it? We can't say we are safe. We also sometimes get that position, is it? That time, whatever help we did for them, that will help us, is it? So we also helped by some of the people. Even now, see what happened due to this corona. Many of them lost their jobs. Is right. So in many places they don't have even the food. They are so other peoples, the people, social medias they are helping them. Is it? Those who not have the food, they are just providing them, and whatever help they need, medical help or whatever help they need, they are doing. Is it? So this is the helping tendency. When the other people are affected, we should not say it's not for me, why should I help them? We should not say like that. Okay, because we are human beings should have that helping tendency. They should have some kind on other people. Okay, so that only happened in the 2004. Okay, yes. Along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished. What is perished? Destroyed, died. Okay, perished. Destroyed, died. Okay, people perished. Buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. So thousands of people were died in Cuddalore and in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so but there is no buffaloes or dogs or any animals harmed. They were safe. Okay, because yes, they know that this is going to come, this is going to happen, so they made themselves safe. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals, including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patanangala beach inside the park, but no animal carcasses were found except for 2 water buffaloes. So what happened? There was a zoo, okay? The park, national park, the Yala National Park. Okay, the Yala National Park. Where is the Yala National Park? In Sri Lanka. Okay, so in the national park, that is the home for variety of animals. Okay, the Yala National Park is the home for lot of animals, variety of animals. Okay, so that time during that tsunami, many people visited there. So like 60 visitors were washed away. So 60 visitors were there in that park. Okay, but that 60 visitors were washed away in that tsunami, but no animal was harmed. See how they just went there to visit that animals. These people were died in the tsunami, but that animals were safe. They didn't get any harm. They were safe. Okay. Can you understand what is happening? Yes. Even though the human being, before that human being, the animals realized that it is going to happen. So they made themselves found. What is carcasses? Carcasses. What is this? Yes, the dead body of an animal. The dead body of an okay, carcasses means the dead body of an animal. Except for two water buffaloes. Only two water buffaloes were died in that waves. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Patanangala beach. So before that tsunami, some of the people noticed that 3 elephants, they just ran away from that place, from the beach, Patanangala beach. They noticed that, but they don't know because of this reason only the elephants are running. Okay. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lived on the coast near Gully said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. So what happened? One Sri Lankan gentleman is telling, actually he has 2 dogs with him. Usually the 2 dogs go out and they go for a walk in the beach, but that particular day they didn't move out from the place because they know it is going to happen, so we should not go to the beach. Like that they already realized, so they didn't come out on that day, that particular day. They are usually excited to go on this outing, he said, but on the day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. Okay, so they usually go out and they enjoyed that. Okay, they enjoyed to go out in the beach, but that particular day they didn't go for that walk and they saved their life. Okay, yes children, so that's all for this lesson. You all understood? Yes. Yes, you just go through this lesson and complete your worksheets. I hope you all understood. Okay, let's before we quit this, let's get one recap of the whole lesson. Okay, actually we saw it as 3 parts, and let's have a quick recap of these 3 parts. Okay, yes. So in the first part, what we saw before, what is tsunami first? Yes, tsunami is the, yes, very good. It's a great, that is a giant wave caused by the earthquake under the sea. Okay, so in that we saw some people like for the Ignatius, and then Sanjeev, and then who is that? Meghna. Yes, very good. Meghna, Almas, Tilly Smith. Yes. So in the first part we have seen that Ignatius, is it? Ignatius was a cooperative manager. Okay, he was living with his wife, brother-in-law, father-in-law, and 2 children. So that time when there was a tsunami, he realized that the earth is shaking. At the time they were sleeping, and after that they realized that the earth is shaking. So he tried to escape from the home, and he just tried to save himself, but they lost their family. When they just moved in different ways, he was not able to see them. So when he came back, he just saw only some other 2 children was with him. So So all other family members were washed away in the wave. Then if you come to the Sanjeev, Sanjeev is a policeman, and he saved his family and came out from the waves. But when he saved himself, he heard that there was a noise and for a help. That is John, Mr. John is a cook. His wife was in a trouble, so that time as a policeman, he see here, he didn't think we should save ourselves. I said, if he thought like that, he never went inside that waves and he never died. But even though in the critical situation also, he think about others. He thought of to help others. He said, so that he just went inside and helped that lady. But that time, unfortunately, the waves washed away him. Yes. And then if we come to Meghna. Okay. Meghna is a small girl. Is that? How many years is she? 13 years. Yes. 13 years girl. So here also her parent and with her family, she was there with her family. So that time all her family members were washed away. She alone just she hold a log. Is that? She hold a log so that she saved herself. And there were some helicopters. Is that? Rescue helicopters. But they didn't notice her. So after 2 days, she came to the shore. I said. So then if we come to Almaz. So Almaz is a 10 years girl. Is that? So here Almaz also with her family members, and they tried to save themselves, and but unfortunately, except that Almaz, the all other family members were died, because here also Almaz just hold a log. Okay, so and in front of her eyes, she saw that her mother and aunt were washed away in the waves. So she was very shocked, and she can't come out from that. She hold that log now, so that she was in the shore, and some of the people saved her and admitted her in the hospital. So after cured also, she was in some other stage, that is she was not able to say anything about that waves, because she was very confused, and she is in a speechless way. I said, in front of her eyes, all her family members were died. I said, by seeing that she was something we can't tell in a words. I said, so she was missed her family. And then Tilly Smith. If we come to Tilly Smith, Tilly Smith is a British girl, and she went to Thailand. Is it Thailand only? No. Yes, she went to Thailand just for celebrating the Christmas with her family members. So that time they were in the beach. Her parents also noticed that something is happening in the waves, because that waves that sea water is changing little bit. So by seeing that, they noticed something is going to happen, but they don't know what is going to happen. But Almaz had a thought of his class. She just get a flashback of the class, which geography class. I said, where she learned that geography lesson. In that geography lesson, she learned that about the tsunami waves. I said, she also saw some videos about these tsunami waves. So she was aware of that thing, and she just informed to everyone, whoever in the beach, and they saved themselves. They just went to a hotel. There, the hotel was a strong one. So for the 3 waves, it was stood there itself. Is that? So they saved themselves. They Tilly Smith saved herself and her family. Only few tourist people were died. Like 70 people were died, but the other people were saved. So they thanked her, and for her geography lesson, because as she learnt in that lesson, she quickly had that remembrance, so that she saved others. So every one of them were praised her. And then if we come to the third, that is the second part, and if we come to the third part, what we saw today? Yes, about the animals. So the animals know this tsunami waves, that is these harmful things earlier. Okay, before the man realized, okay, before the human beings realized, the animals noticed it earlier and they saved themselves. So in this harmful, this giant killed a lot of human beings, but only few animals were died because they already know it, so they just saved themselves. Okay, so this only we have seen, and from this what you learn? Okay, so our life is not a fixed one. Anything may be happened at any time. So whenever the life what we are living should be a meaningful one. Okay. So we in that life we should have some helping tendency. We should have some kindness to others. Okay. So before dying also this Sanjeev policeman tried to help a person. Is it? He know that it is a severe one, even though he didn't mind about his life. He just tried to save another person, so that time he was dead. So like that, we should have some kindness to others. Okay, and we should not say, I am the big one, you are not that much to me, you are not equal to me. Like that we should not say, because all are equal in this world. Okay, so that rich person, I told you, in Chennai also there were a tsunami. So that rich persons also in 1 day, in 1 second they came down. Okay, even though they were rich, they can't avoid the disaster. Is it? So it is a natural one. It's a natural disaster. No one can stop that. Okay, so whatever happened will happen surely. Is it? So the life is a precious one, so we should live it in a good way, and in that we should have some helping tendency and kindness to others. Okay, children? Yes, hope you all understood this lesson, and you just go through it and complete your worksheets. Okay? Yes, let's see in the next session. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.